there's a hair in my face. I see it, but I can't like get it. I don't know. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kyla and I primarily makeup videos, but I did start a new book Instagram and TikTok. I have not posted yet, but I created it, so if you want to follow me, it's Kye Reads, K-I-Y-E-E-R-E-A-D-S on both. But yeah, today is my April favorites. We are just in the beginning of the month of May, and so I'm posting my favorites from the month of April, everything that I used and liked and whatnot. I tried to wear more makeup and whatnot during this month. I think I was pretty successful, you know, like I feel like I fell off for a little while, but I'm back into my game. So yes, this is all of the things that I really enjoyed. I only have a handful, but you know, that's less is more sometimes. Like, I don't want to have a bunch of things and say that they're my favorite and they're just be things that I like, you know? Like, these are things that I really enjoyed, so there's only a select few. The first one is this e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. This is the contour, but I use it for bronzer. Mine's in the shade Light Medium. They have a fair light, but I felt like it was more cool toned. This one is a little bit more warm toned, and I use it as my bronzer. I used it today and I struggled to blend it today, which is unusual for me. Usually it's pretty fine. But I don't know if it was this foundation because it's a foundation that I haven't really been using that much lately. I just wanted to, you know, wear something a little bit more full coverage. Usually I use a light, like almost like a tinted moisturizer or like serum-y type. And this one's a little bit more full coverage, so I don't know if that's why it didn't blend super well today, but usually it's really good. So I really like it. I haven't tried the highlighters. I don't typically grab for liquid highlighters, but I don't know. This one, I just really like this cream bronzer. Really good. And then the next thing is something that I've been using for a very long time, but I just really felt drawn to it a lot this month. It's the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. I'm just using a mini right now because, I don't know, I had it open, so this is what I got when I ran out of my full-size one. This mascara wand, it's so like big and fluffy and it's nice and it makes my lashes look so like voluminous and long. It's just really nice. It's my favorite mascara right now and I really like it. I would repurchase it 100 times over. I really enjoy it so much. It's my favorite. It just they're just so volumizing and beautiful. They're just really good. And then I have been using this Bag Balm like lip balm. It is kind of like Vaseline, but a little bit different. So usually Bag Balm comes in like a tub, and it was originally designed for like cows, I believe. But I don't know, people use it too, and it's really good. It's just like a hydrator, and it just makes your lips feel really smooth and hydrated, but not like sticky and not greasy, just like a nice smooth finish. And I really like this tube. I don't want to like always dip my finger in something to rub it on like regular Vaseline. It has like that kind of tip, and I just really like how it goes on and how it wears. I wear it at night, I wear it when I'm not wearing makeup. It's just really good, and I really enjoy it. I have like a 4-pack of them. They're just like scattered around my house. Dalton has it, my sister has it, and her fiance. Like, it's just, everybody really loves it. It's so good. And they sell it at like Marshall's or TJ Maxx in a 4-pack. It's definitely worth it. You can get the tubs, but you're gonna have to dip your finger in it. I like how this one is the squeeze too. And the only thing that I will say is that the smell is a little bit funny. It's weird. It's not like your typical like lip balmy smell. It's not like vanilla or cherry or whatever. It's almost like a medicated smell. It's hard to describe without smelling it. But it's not like your typical makeup-y smell. And then I have the ColourPop So Juicy plumping gloss bombs. I have 2 of them. I have several more in my cart right now. I have the Vacay Mode and the Dough. You should have seen me haul these in the Sephora and Ulta haul, I think it was. But yeah, I really like this one especially. I like that they click up. I like how glossy they look. I love how they feel, how smooth and glidey they feel, how it's not too cakey. It doesn't run down like your face. It doesn't feel like it's dripping on your chin. It's just so nice. If I could change one thing, I would change how this looks, because it's kind of like bubbly, like not bubbly looking, but it looks like it has like air in there, and it gets on the cap, and since the cap is clear, you can really see it. So that's the only thing I would change about it. I really like these. Oh, and I would make more colors because there's not that many colors of these, maybe like 8. I would definitely do more colors. Yeah, they're so good, and they're only $10. A lot of these like plumping ones, like the Tarte ones, which I have a ton of those are more expensive. They're like $24 a piece, I think, unless you get like a set. These are only 10. The NYX ones are nice, but most of them have like a pearlized finish to them. There's only a handful that aren't pearlized. They're good, it's just there's not a lot of like variety if you don't want like a shimmer in your lips. What else? The Hourglass ones are good too, but they're more expensive. These are just really good, especially for $10. It's just, you can't go wrong. Get the ColourPop ones. So good. And Ulta usually has like a $3.50 off 15 or like a 10 off 50, something like that for like drugstore stuff. So you always get a discount too, or like 15% off, something like that. Then, let me not jump the gun. I also, in the makeup realm, not that bag bomb was in the makeup realm, I got these little like eye triangle things, like powder triangles for my under eyes. I got my set from Shein because they're pretty affordable and they're really soft and fluffy, and I really like them. It was like a 10 pack or something for just a couple dollars, like $2 or something like that. They have them at like Marshalls and TJ Maxx and other stores too, but they're more expensive. These little ones were really cheap, and I like how they are, I'm able to apply like my under eye powder without having to have a beauty blender. Usually I use a beauty blender to push it in. It's not quite like a beauty blender. It doesn't like quite get in the cracks, like the lines under my eyes as well, but as a beauty blender. But if I don't have to wet my beauty blender, it's a win for me, you know? Like, because a normal brush I feel like really doesn't do it as nicely. This does it much better than a brush, and I like how it's triangular and I can just get up under there all nicely and set my under eyes. Yeah, because sometimes I don't want to use a full face of powder, and sometimes I don't want to wet a beauty blender, and then cleaning the powder out of the beauty blender is a mess, so I like that. And then my last two products are not makeup related. I don't know, the Bag Bomb probably should have been in the makeup section, but it's fine. The Grande Lash Enhancing Serum, super wonderful. I have been using this for a couple months now, and my lashes are so long. This coupled with that mascara, 10 out of 10. I believe there was like some controversy about this. I don't remember if it was for like something with like the dark circles under your eyes or something. I don't remember. But I really like it. It's expensive. The tube is like $68 for the full size, but it's really good. And a lot of times like Ulta will have a sale if you wait for Sephora to do their spring or fall sale. Like, you can get them sometimes cheap, and sometimes they have like the sets too, but it's really nice. You use it at night. I just do one swipe over each eye and that's it. And my eyes, it does leave a little bit of redness, but it's not a big deal to me, at least. Like, my face is pretty red to begin with, and so like I just don't mind it. It just really grows out my lashes really well. They're so much longer than usual, and my lashes are so light naturally because my hair is red. They're just really like blonde, and so you can't usually see them, but like with this coupled with mascara, they are noticeable, like really noticeable. And then last but not least is the YSL perfume, the Libre perfume. This smells so good. I had a little sample of it at first, and I had to buy it. I don't buy perfume that often, like hardly ever, but I was wearing it for several days, and I would catch whiffs of it throughout the day, and I was just like, I have to buy this. It just smells so delicious. Let me read the notes to you. And the packaging is so cute. Let me find it. And Ulta does like 5 times the points on perfumes a lot. The notes are lavender, orange blossom, and musk accord. Usually I hate lavender. I hate lavender everything, but I really like this one. It's so nice. Yeah, it's very beautiful, and it's just so like fresh, and it's a floral, but it's not like a super flowery floral. It's not like rose or like something really gross like that. It's just so pretty. Go smell it. Go get a sample. They have it at Ulta. They have it at Sephora. Get it. Girl, it's so nice. It smells so fresh. So fresh. I can't stop smelling it. It's so good. But yeah, those are my beauty-esque favorites for the month of April. What did you guys love? What do I need to get? Let's be real here, because there are some things that I need to buy. Okay? But yeah, let me know down below. Check out my Instagram, it's at Makeup My Smile. Check out my book Instagram, it's Kai Reads. What else? I think that's it. Well, okay, well, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!